Today, I'm going to show you guys how to do a delicious, flavorful fish sauce at home using your natural ingredients that I have here with me, my spice and my dried plantain. So I'm going to take you guys through step by step on how to do this delicious, flavorful sauce that you can have with your plantain, boiled potato, couscous or rice at home if you have some family coming over, or just for your husband to make him stay at home. Let's get started. Now is we are going to blend this dry plantain that I did. So if you don't have plantain flour like me, what you can do is slice your plantain and then grill it into the oven like on very, very low heat. And then you're going to get this dry plantain over here. This is what we are going to blend and get the flour. And then here I have my spice, which is the Njansan. This is a very oily seed. This has a nutty, spicy, good flavor for the fish sauce we are going to do. And then I have here my garlic. I'm going to use 10 garlic here and 1 full onion and ginger. So I'm going to start by blending these two into my blender, my dry coffee blender. So I'll just bring this here. Then I'm going to start to blend my Njansan, my nicely oily seed over here. So I'll just blend this together. So you see how it's looking here inside? Because you cannot cook it like that. It needs to give you that nutty, flavorful that is inside here. Look how beautiful this is already looking inside the blender. I just love to use this spice. This spice thickens the sauce naturally without using any chemicals at all. This is a really nice, flavorful spice to use in your sauce. So you're gonna see how beautiful, how tasteful the spice gonna do in our fish sauce. So I'm blending this to make it very, very thin. So you see how thick this spice is? So it has that nutty thickness of the spice. So I'm just gonna try to mix this up and help the blender so that it can continue to blend very well. It's already smelling so nice. I love how delicious this spice make my fish sauce come out. So I'll just close this up for a few minutes. So now my Njansan is done. You see how nice this spice came out? I'll just transfer this here. You see the nuttiness? Just those small seeds that you saw there. You see the nuttiness that this spice have. This is a very rich spice. It makes your fish sauce come out very beautiful and full of a lot of flavors. Just this beautiful smell. You see, I just used a little bit seed, but just look how a lot of this nutty spice came out. I just love it. So now I'll just put this aside and then I'm going to blend my dry plantain gradually by portion. We're going to add and it continue blending. So I'll just use the same thing. Then I'll just add the rest. So look how beautiful my plantain flour is coming out. I just love it. Oh, this smells so good. So I'll just blend it a little bit more. I'll just transfer this here. So now our first step is done. So now I am going to blend my onion, my ginger, and my garlic over here. So I'll just slice this up a little bit. And then I'm going to add water, 1.5 60 ml of water to help the blender. I'll close this up and blender. What you are looking for is a smooth texture from the garlic and the onion. Oh, this smells delicious. The ginger and the garlic. I love these flavors. So I'll just transfer this into a bowl and then we're going to keep this aside. So this is what you're looking for, like this. Blend it very well together, like a paste. So I'll just move this out of the way. Now we'll come to our pot. Stand this on. You stand this on. Now I'll put in my plantain flour into my pot. Then I'll put in my Njansan spice. Then I'll mix this up very well. And I am going to use 1 cup of water, but we go gradually mixing it. Don't want to throw the whole water once in. Mix everything well together. Now we continue to add the water, another cup of water, another cup of water again. So now so far I've used 3 cups of water, like this. Then I'll continue mixing that. Then in my mixture of garlic, onion, ginger, mix that up well. Then I'm going in with my fish. Whoop. Going in with my fish. This, mix it up very well. Then I'm going in with my 80 ml of oil. Then I'm going in with my salt, 2.5 ml. So the salt we're gonna add gradually. We will taste if the salt is good. Then I'll mix it up and taste how my salt is. Okay, I'll add in more salt. Mix that up. I love how this is tasting already. Good. Let this come to a boil. So I'll leave this to boil for 15 minutes and then come check on it. So this is a very fast sauce to make. Everything in one pot that we're going to mix all our spice, seasoning, everything in one pot and let that come together, and we're going to let all the flavor come inside our fish and let the sauce do the magic. So after a few minutes, we stir our pot very gentle because of our fish. No, fish is very delicate. I can smell the flavors. I can smell the aroma in my kitchen has already changed. I can feel the warmness. These spices are just coming in together. So you can see the color is already changing in my pot. I just love how beautiful my sauce is looking. So delicious with these natural spices over here. The combination is just so wonderful. And this looks so delicious and smells so amazing. All the flavors are coming in together. And this, you can have it with rice, couscous, plantain, or boiled potato. So I'm going to leave this again, cook for another 5 minutes. Just look how beautiful this is coming in together. And I can smell all my spices. This smells so delicious. So I'm going to have my fish sauce with rice, my beautiful white rice, with my delicious white rice. So my sauce looks so delicious and it's ready. All the flavors came together. Look how the color has changed and look how beautiful this looks already with all the natural spices that I just used. This sauce, you need to make it for your friends and loved ones at home. You need to try out this recipe because this just smells so delicious and I can feel the aroma in my kitchen has changed and all the flavors are nicely inside have ended in my fish. So this is how you want it to look. So I'm going to have this with my rice. So let me just taste this. Flavors are going in my mouth. I can feel the juiciness of this sauce. It is just so delicious. I just love how everything came together. So I'm just gonna serve this, let it rest a bit. Switch this off. And I'm gonna allow this to rest a bit for 5 minutes. I will just put this here. This is our sauce here ready. So I'm just gonna take one nice fish over here. Put it like this. Go in with my nice sauce. Wow, this smells so delicious. I'm just loving how my sauce came out. Look at this beautiful sauce. Delicious sauce with my fish over here. So guys, thank you so much for watching till the end of this video and for following this recipe. Do not forget to hit the subscribe and like button. The combination is just so wonderful. And this looks so delicious and smells so amazing. All the flavors are coming in together. And this, you can have it with rice, couscous, plantain, or boiled potato. So I'm going to leave this again, cook for another 5 minutes. Just look how beautiful this is coming in together. And I can smell all my spices. This smells so delicious. So I'm going to have my fish sauce with rice, my beautiful white rice, with my delicious white rice. So my sauce looks so delicious and it's ready. So this is how you want it to look. So I'm going to have this with my rice. So let me just taste this. How the flavors are going in my mouth. I can feel the juiciness of this sauce. It is just so delicious. I just love how everything came together. So I'm just gonna serve this. This is our sauce here ready. So I'm just gonna take one nice fish over here. Go in with my nice sauce. Wow, this smells so delicious. I'm just loving how my sauce came out. Look at this beautiful sauce. Delicious sauce. And now I'm gonna put this aside. This is so delicious. So guys, thank you so much for watching till the end of this video and for following this recipe. Do not forget to hit the subscribe and like button. So let me taste how my flavors, my spices came together in this sauce.